Welcome YouTubers, and this is Dragster Life in the Shop, and I am back. I've been back on this 71 Duster that had the fried wiring harness thanks to the customer. Getting it all back together. Last time, the first video, if you haven't seen it, watch it. I had the dash and everything, well, the cluster rather, out of it. All the wiring harness was burnt up in behind there. Still gotta do a few things, like put this tape deck back in, and of course there's the harness for that. And so this is just gonna be a quick video for that, and or excuse me, for this project. Still gotta also figure out where these wiper pins go for the wiper motor. So got a little bit more to do yet. And he wants the clutch adjusted, which it needs it. It's letting out at the top a little bit. You know, a lot actually. Okay, put that back in there. Yeah, right there. Hurst pistol grip. Pretty cool. Not a lot of these cars left. At least I haven't seen one in a while. Car's got potential. Alright guys, if you haven't seen the other video, it'll show you a better view of what the wiring harness looked like before I started it. I didn't think about doing a video earlier after I rewired all the car up underneath the dash. I just thought about it here just a few minutes ago, so yeah, kind of doing this video on the tail end of it. But anyway, it's all clean and replaced up underneath there now, for the most part. And there's still some old wires in there that were in really good shape, so I just really good condition, so I just left them alone. And so anyway, there it is, guys. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Just remember to comment below, subscribe and to my channel, and give it a thumbs up. All right, thanks.